Now to a follow-up on a story that we brought you a year ago on a baby girl who has a very rare genetic disorder.
Mackenzie Barker has Pompe disease, a condition so uncommon that this is the only pediatric case in Maine. It causes muscle weakness and enlarged organs, including the heart.
Some babies with this disease don't live to see their first birthday, but the McKinney's family found that the treatment that is extending her life, they have found something that's working. Newsreader Vivian Lee is here to tell us all about it.
This is an incredible story to come back and tell you guys, because I did the first story when we first sat down with her. And little Mackenzie is thriving, which her mother says is nothing short of a miracle. Pompe disease occurs in 1 in every 40,000 births, and the key is to catch this rapidly progressive disease early. Mackenzie was just weeks old when she started receiving enzyme replacement therapy and other treatments.
A lot of them have a hard time with eating.
When we first met Christy Bentney, she was still reeling from the discovery that her newborn daughter Mackenzie has Pompe disease. Patients with the disorder are missing a vital enzyme, which leads to a buildup of sugar in the body, weakening muscles and damaging organs.
Mainly the heart, and then their heart will just be so enlarged that they just can't breathe, and then they pass from cardiac heart failure.
The only sliver of hope was enzyme replacement therapy, or ERT. Mackenzie started the biweekly infusions when she was just 2 months old. After several months of treatments along with speech, physical, and occupational therapy, miracles started happening.
Good job! Work those arms. She went from having such an enlarged heart to back to normal size.
Mackenzie is also hitting most of her developmental milestones, crawling, holding a bottle, and picking up toys.
Now, Bethany says her daughter's amazing progress wouldn't have been possible without the research, expertise, and support from a team of medical experts located hundreds of miles away from her small hometown of Norway.
Christy took Mackenzie to Duke University School of Medicine, where researchers are providing treatment and education to families of children with Pompe disease. She came home with new exercises and a special binder for Mackenzie that she wears while sleeping to help her legs stay straight. Doctors at Duke are also searching for a cure, something Christy will never stop fighting for.
Treatment is there, but we need the cure. We need to be able to stop the buildup of the sugars and get her muscles working.
Now, Duke is also conducting clinical trials for gene replacement therapy, essentially replacing the gene which causes Pompe disease with a healthy one. But that treatment, unfortunately, Pat and Cindy, is still several years away.
But it looks like she's made amazing progress.
Really?
Yes, great story.